welcome back to my channel, and today I have a video using the products from this month's Ipsy bag. And I have the Ipsy bag, the regular one, and then I do have the plus as well. So let's unbox it and see what we got this month. All right, so let's start out with the regular glam bag. Look at that little bag. It's very cute, very furry, and my daughter loved it, so I know she's gonna want it after I finish this video because she's been asking for it. So let's see what we got. Let me take out everything. And the first thing that I see here, it's called the Gold Faded MD Problem Tired Eyes, Bright Eyes, Dark Circles, Radiance Concentrate. Wow, that was a mouthful. So we got this here. So it's going to be for your under eyes to brighten them up. So yes, this is the first product here. Let me open it up and see if it has any kind of color or anything. No, it's just a white, well, like a regular moisturizer. And it feels very, very moisturizing as well. So I'm over here dropping things already. And just add it to your ring finger. And then I'm going to apply it here. So I guess I'm just going to be showing the products and then applying them as they go. I mean, as I go. y'all know, if y'all been watching my videos, I'm kind of a hot mess, ladies. But, you know, when you have 1,000 things on your mind, that's just what happens to me. Okay, so there we go. It really does feel moisturizing, so I like that. Okay, so I'm actually not going to be applying as I go, since I did notice I have some skincare products, and well, obviously I'm here in my room and I don't have a sink to wash everything off. So let's just see what we got, and then I'll use the products that I can during the video. So here we have next Dew of the Gods Feels Mini, and this is a Squalane plus oat milk Microdermabrasion dry erase facial scrub. Dang, all these products have like some huge ass names, ladies. Okay, so let me open it up. I like the colors of it. I like the packaging, very cute. And I was reading on the back that it says if you want it to be less harsh, you could add a little bit of water and mix it in so it's not, you know, as harsh. But yes, we have this. And ladies, remember, it's a must to, you know, exfoliate the skin. That way you have a good canvas for what you're going to add on top, like your foundation and things like that. So I love using products like this. I think I mentioned it before, but like, let's say every 3 days I'll do it. But yes, ladies, this is another product that we received. And then next we have this Tarte H2O Balm. So this right here. And it's in the shade Villa. So let me try this out. I'm not going to apply it to my lips. I'm just going to do a little swatch. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So it is like a balm with a little bit of tint. And this is the packaging, and the product itself looks like this. So, and it does feel hydrating, ladies. So I think this, I'm going to try to use it with a lip pencil, and then I'll just add this to it on top. So that's what I'm thinking I'm going to do with that. And then here we have this what is this called? Ather Beauty. I was like, what? So this is what it looks like. And then it says Desert Rose Lip and Cheek Oil Stain. So let's try this out. Okay, it looks like a really pretty color. So let me, yeah, it looks really, really, it smells like a little bit like that green gum. I don't know what it's called, like spearmint or something like that. Okay, so that's the shade there, a little bit blended out. So as you see, I got a lot, but that's what it looks like. And lastly, we have this Wing Me Little Liquid Liner. And well, yeah, it's a liquid liner, and it's just a black shade. This is the packaging here. And let me go ahead and swipe it. There we go. I like the brush on this. Well, it's more like those hard brushes. What are they called? I don't know, but it's not like a brush type. It's more like of the dense brush. So yeah, it's in Wing Me. So we're gonna be doing a wing today. And now let's move on to the Glam Bag Plus. Oh my gosh, I'm like trying not to get tongue twisted over here. Okay, so next we have the Murad Hydration Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture. here is that's what it looks like. And let me take it out. Okay, so we have this here. Let me go ahead and add this. So this, because these are like the first steps, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it before I forget. So it's just a cream like this. And oh my gosh, ladies, let me know how the winter is going for your skin, because oh my goodness, my skin needs all the hydration in the world right now. Well, I mean, right now, I mean, Texas weather, ladies, is crazy. Like the other day it was cold, yesterday it was hot, this morning it was cold again, and then right now I went to go get my mail and it was hot again. So oh, it's what I hate, just because like I can't put away my sandals, I can't put away my boots, I can't, like, it's just, no, it's a hot mess, ladies. So yes, here is that, and it does feel hydrating, but it does feel like it absorbed, I mean, it absorbed into my skin quickly, but I do feel the moisture, so that's good. And next, let's see what else we have. We have the the Hey Honey Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovery Mask. So this sounds good because, as y'all know, honey on the skin does wonders. So it says 15 minutes to new skin. And then it says apply generously all over the face and neck to effectively hydrate skin. Leave on for 15 minutes, like I said. And then finally wipe off the excess. So let me see what it looks like. Okay, and that's a good amount as well, so that's good. So there's that. And then it says restore the appearance of dull skin impacted by environmental factors. So yes, ladies, I'm definitely gonna be trying this one out. Well, it has the cover on it, so it's not open yet. So I will let y'all know what I think about that. And we do have a palette, and this is what by Winky Luxe. It's the Latte Kitten palette. I've never tried this brand out, so I'm excited. I love the cover, so cute. Let me open it up, and it does show like on the back what these shades are, so that's always good. You know, if you're thinking of buying it, if you don't have the subscription, you know, and you're in stores, because I think they do sell this, if I'm not mistaken, at Target. So yes. Okay, so it does have a mirror, and then these are the shades here. So yes, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shimmers and 3 mattes. So let me just go ahead and swatch. Here are the shades. They look really nice, creamy. Okay, so there we go. That was just like, as y'all saw, one swipe. And let me take this off really quickly so I can grab the next product. Okay, and we have 2 more products left. So we do have the Earth Harbor Oasis Deep Pore Gel Cleanser. So if y'all have those nasty pores, I do too, girl, so don't even feel bad. This is gonna be perfect for us. So this is what it looks like. Oh, I like the color of it. Let me smell it real quickly. I got it on my lips. Well, it doesn't really smell like much. It just smells like skincare. And yes, ladies, so I'm gonna try this out as well. So we got that. And lastly, okay, this is the last thing in here. Yes, and I like the bag. I like this bag too. Okay, so this is what is this? A mascara by BV Beauty Vault. Oh my goodness. Okay, I remember this brand. I loved their, wait, is it? No, it's not the same brand, ladies. Just kidding. This is another brand. I was thinking it was this matte lipstick that we got in, I don't know if it was last month or 2 months ago. But let me open this up really quickly so I can show you the wand. Okay, so here's the mascara, and here is the wand. The wand is the plastic kind. So yes, and it's short up top, and then the other side is longer, the bristles. So yes, ladies, let's create a quick look using these products. Well, what I can use, except like I mentioned, I'm not going to be using the skincare, but you know, I did use the Murad cream here, and I use the eye cream. So I think I'm not going to talk through the other stuff. I'm just going to do it quickly, that way this video is not so long, and then I'll come back and let you know about my thoughts on the products that I use. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, beauties, so this is my final look using the Ipsy products that we received for the month. And yes, ladies, I try to do something simple. You know, that's what I like to do in these videos, because I know not everybody wants to do something crazy all the time, or maybe y'all are beginners and are not looking to do anything crazy. So yes, and I also do try to use you know, more than 2 shades in my eye looks. That way I can try out more of the shades. And yes, I even used one of them as highlight, and look at that, it looks really pretty. And I honestly liked everything. Well, let me just tell you my thoughts on each product. So this I really liked. It really separated each. I liked it more. Let me wait. I liked it more on the longer side of the brush. It just helped elongate my lashes, and it also separated them. And you're gonna see, well, you most likely already saw that you're gonna see how it makes these like longer, and I don't know, I really liked it. And it's also really opaque black. So yes, I'm gonna continue using this one for sure, because I really did enjoy it. And then the eyeliner, ladies, wow, I really did like the brush on it. It helped me create the perfect wing that I was looking for. I had no trouble. And also it's black and opaque. There's some that of these that are black, but they are a bit shiny. This one is not, so this one definitely gonna keep using it as well. And the eyeshadow palette, ladies, no complaints. Like I said, I even used one of the shimmers as my highlight, and I really do like it. Looks like any other highlight that I have in my collection. And these matte shades blended perfectly. I had no problems with them, as well as this one here. Only this one, I think, I don't know, maybe try your finger, but I did use a brush, and I did have to go in to make it more visible a couple of times, but I mean, it's not a problem, you know. So, but just letting you know. So yes, this one is good as well. And this one here, I can't use it on its own. I did try, but no, it's too light on me. And also, ladies, it's very hydrating, but you do have to make sure your lips are exfoliated, because it will show up like where it's not exfoliated. It looks kind of nasty. And also it doesn't like stick to those areas. So just make sure to exfoliate your lips. But yes, it's hydrating, feels comfortable on the lips, and when you apply it, it does feel kind of like minty. And I did also like the blush, this one here. I did add like a couple of little dots just so it could show up on my skin tone, but it's really pretty, just because I didn't know, like, the color looks, you know, intimidating, but that's why I went in with a little bit at first, but then I added more and it came out perfect. I did add blush on top, the Wet n Wild one, just in case you're wondering, just to set it. But yes, I did really like this as well. The only thing that I'm gonna try again, but with something else, is gonna be, where did I leave it? The eye cream, ladies. I feel like my under eyes look a little bit crusty, so it could be that either it's not hydrating enough for me at the moment, or it didn't mix well with my concealer. So I'm going to try it again with another more hydrating concealer. Today I used this one here, the Ather Deluxe HD, High Radiance Correct and Conceal. So this is the one that I used today. But like I mentioned, I'm going to try it out with a more hydrating concealer, or it might just be the product itself. I'm not sure, but I will let y'all know. And yes, ladies, that is it. I really did like the Murad hydrating cream, and everything else, like I mentioned, I really like. So yes, ladies, hit that like button, and don't forget to follow my page. And if there's any other videos that you would like to see, let me know down in the comments, and also what your favorite product is out of all the ones that I use, and what you're most excited for. And also don't forget to follow me on my social media, ladies. I'm under jcouture7 on Instagram and TikTok, and Facebook I'm under Jennifer Valles, and I do short videos over there, and I will pop up here and there and create live videos for y'all. So yes, ladies, have a good day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.